Okay, imagine this for a second. AI on your phone, but not just, listening or looking at photos. Imagine it actually using your apps, tapping, scrolling, typing, like it had fingers and a brain.
Mm-hmm.
That's what we're diving into today.
Mm.
It's all about Droidrun, this new framework aiming to turn your Android phone into an AI playground, as they put it.
That's right. And we've been digging into their recent product hunt launch. Got some insights from the co-founder, looked at the early user Q&A, which was pretty revealing. Yeah. So our mission today is really to unpack how Droidrun tackles the, let's say, long-standing headaches in mobile automation and what it means for AI, like right there in your pocket.
Okay, let's talk about those headaches, because anyone who's tried automating phone tasks knows the deal. Current tools often feel bloated, right?
Definitely bloated.
Or super brittle.
Yeah.
Like one tiny app update and boom, your whole script is broken. They just aren't flexible or fast enough for what developers or, frankly, anyone needing serious automation really want.
And that's exactly the gap Droidrun seems to be aiming for. What's really interesting, I think, is this idea of native control of physical and virtual phones. It interacts directly with real Android apps.
Not just web views or clunky emulators.
Exactly. This isn't about those limited environments. It's about giving AI low-level, genuine control over the actual apps you use every day. Like it can manipulate almost anything a person could.
That sounds incredibly powerful.
Mm-hmm.
But what about, for developers? Is it easy to work with? Can you actually see what it's doing? Is it like a black box?
Good question. And that leads to one of its big selling points. It's 100% open source.
Ah, okay.
So yeah, total transparency. You can look at the code, tweak it, extend it. Plus, they say it has a fast local setup, which is always a plus. Get going quickly.
Right.
Now, one thing that came up in the Q&A was connectivity. Right now, you need that ADB connection, so tethered to a computer. But they did say they're strongly looking into a standalone APK version, an app you just install.
Wow, okay. That would be a huge leap. A self-contained AI agent on your phone.
Yeah.
And it's not just dumb execution, is it? I read about this strong reasoning plus reflection mode. What's that actually mean?
Yeah, that's probably the core of its intelligence, this reflection mode. It moves beyond just rigid scripts.
How so?
Well, think about it. If the AI hits an erroneous state, maybe an unexpected ad pops up, or the network flakes out, or a button isn't where it expects.
Which happens all the time on mobile.
All the time. Instead of just crashing, it can reason about what happened. It can autocorrect, adapt its plan, maybe try clicking something else, or waiting, or identifying that pop-up.
So it doesn't just give up. It tries to recover. Like if it's trying to book a flight and gets a weird loading screen, it might wait and retry.
Exactly. Or solve a CAPTCHA that suddenly appears. It makes the automation much more robust for the, messy real world of apps.
That ability to adapt, to fail forward, feels critical. So zooming out, what does this unlock? What can people actually do with this?
Oh, the possibilities are pretty broad. For QA teams, automating really complex testing flows, letting the AI really hammer an app across maybe hundreds of device variations, or intelligently scraping UIs for data, even across multiple apps or complex forms.
So not just simple web scraping.
Right, much deeper. Then there's building bots, that customer service agents that can actually use the support portal app, or social media bots doing complex interactions. And the really futuristic part, building sophisticated autonomous agents.
Agents that manage things for you across different apps.
Potentially, yeah. And for scale, they mentioned upcoming cloud support for running over 100 emulated phones at once. Think large-scale testing or data gathering.
Okay, so for you listening, this isn't just some obscure tool for coders. Droidrun points to a future where AI gets, hands-on with our phones.
Yeah.
It could change how software gets built, how companies operate.
Yeah.
And maybe even lead to totally new ways we interact with our own devices through these agent-driven experiences.
Absolutely. It's enabling AI to not just understand your phone, but to actively do things on it with a level of control we haven't really seen before in an open way.
And with that adaptive intelligence baked in.
Exactly. So here's a thought to leave you with. As AI gets this kind of native adaptive control over our phones, how might our daily digital habits actually change? What new practical, maybe even ethical questions pop up when we have truly autonomous agents managing tasks on our devices? What becomes possible? It's definitely something to keep an eye on.
Absolutely. A fascinating space. Keep exploring, keep asking questions, stay curious.